Learn how to make your own pumpkin pie spice at home. This recipe is easy to make, and you can also make a double batch to have extra on hand for all those fall recipes. Welcome back, or if you're new here, my name is Kate and this is Bake That. You will need 1.5 tablespoons of ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of ground ginger, 1 teaspoon of ground nutmeg, and 1/2 teaspoon of ground allspice. You can also add in 1/2 teaspoon of ground cloves to this recipe, but it is not a traditional pumpkin pie spice that you buy in stores. In a small bowl, add the cinnamon, ginger, nutmeg, and allspice. Whisk these ingredients together, making sure any clumps of spice are broken up. Feel free to add more or less of these spices depending on personal preference. This recipe can easily be doubled if you plan to make a lot of fall treats and know you will be using a lot of this spice. Use this pumpkin pie spice in pumpkin cakes, pumpkin lattes, and so many other delicious fall desserts. I love adding it to my coffee in the morning. Use a funnel or a spoon and add your spice mixture to a jar or an airtight container. Thank you so much for watching. Come back next week to bake more good things.